Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back again. So in today's tutorial I want to introduce you to one beautiful update that I've been eating, and seriously you're gonna like the update because seriously I also like the update as well. So it's just that getting a free airdrop with this exchange, and if you don't have account on this exchange, I will advise you to create it now, because this will be the exchange we are going to use for our two-way strategy, which be I'm going to release very soon. So this is my own account, and as you can see, my account is verified and everything is okay. So there is a very big opportunity in this exchange, and I think people are not aware of this opportunity well, and but seriously I'm going to expose them. Now you can see this is a launch pool and a reward hub and something there. In fact, they have many opportunities, but let's focus on this hodler airdrop that I have for you today. And I will also show you how to participate IEO, which is our initial exchange offering on this same exchange. So you can see this hodler. This is a big opportunity for us. You see, this exchange has been giving airdrop for free. All you need to do is to get their coin, and once you get their coin, you don't need to stake it. All you need to do after you get their coin, you just hold it, and once you found any project here like this project now, they are still participating on it. Look at the time now, and which will be end very soon. Once you click on participate, it's going to bring you to here. Look at it here, get bybit.io coin. And also the other one, look at it, you need at least just one. Once you have one of their coin, you'll be able to participate and benefit from this their airdrop. And after you all you need to do is, after you get depending on the how many GT token you have, and you will be able to earn a lot of airdrop. So look at it, they also have launchpool here. It's actually under launchpool, and this is another opportunity I want to talk again. This startup, which I will take you to, I'm going to take you to this place now, crypto rank, to explain a very detail about it. So there's a lot of opportunity in this exchange that we can utilize and take advantage of. So now this exchange, I've made my research about them for a very long time, and I've been using it for over 4 years now, and I have never had any issue with them. So if you have any issue or you have any challenge with them, let me know in the comment section. This is get.io, and let's quickly head over to market cap and check their ranking. If they're among top 10 exchange, we can actually use them. So this is my market cap, and you can also go to your market cap and check it. So I come over to this up here, and I click on this exchange, and it's going to show me the rank, how the exchange has been ranked. So you see the first one is Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, OKS, Bit, and SN. So they are actually among number 9. They are almost number 9. They are one of among the biggest exchange in the world as well. So look at them, and actually they are ranked number 9 here. So the amazing thing is they are ranked number 4 on the crypto rank, which they, with their a lot of activities and their benefits they have been giving out. Let me take you there, and then I will explain how to participate on some projects. So this is crypto rank, and once you head over to this place here, you will scroll up down to ICO and IDO. Once you click on IDO, it's going to take you to the IDO page. And remember, I just released recent video on IDO, though I am yet to release the complete guide on it, and which I'm going to do so very soon. So once you reach here, you see we have IDO and IEO. This IDO is initial DEX offering, which I explained in the previous video, that it's participate if you want to participate on this, you are going to buy, like it's like pre-sale, but it's not actually let's call it pre-sale, because you are going to buy before it's being listed from the designated exchange. So there are many exchange that offer it as well. So this is IEO, which is initial exchange listing. So this one is being carried out by exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and every other. But currently, the top people that are doing it is this same Get.io. And if you check it, look at here. Look at here. Look at the price that this coin was sold. And if you go ahead and check the price that it's being listed, you will see that you make a lot of money if you actually buy this on during their startup time. So look at it, Get.io. They are the only one offering Launchpad currently. The other exchanges are, I don't know what's wrong with them, but this is Get.io. They are the only one offering. You can see all, if you check every IEO here, you will surely see Get.io. And they are, let's quickly check the all the platform that offer IEO platform. So once you click on IEO platform, it's going to bring you here, and look at it. We are here in the IEO platform, and look at all this. Look at them. So this is they are ranked number 4 here. You see, they are even ranked ahead Binance. And this is 1 year ranking. Let's check maybe 1 month ranking and see who is at top. Look at them, they are the top. They are the first ranking here at 1 month, because they are the one offering all these services, and the other exchanges, I think they are still sleeping. So look at them. Look at the last one. They just offered this on 20, which was yesterday. So, and the other exchanges, they have not been offering for over a month now. Let's check 3 months ago. So I'm going to make a very detailed tutorial about this and how to go about this IEO step by step, but currently I only want to introduce you to this airdrop, how to get free airdrop from them. And this is actually amazing opportunity, because their coin, if you actually buy their coin as at last year, 4 months ago, you will be in massive profit by now. Let me take you to their exchange and show you and their coin again. But before that, let's check something. You see, last 3 months they are number 3 here, and if you click on it, you will see that they have been in service for a very long time. Look at them, look at it now. They have been doing this opportunity year of foundation, look at it, since 2017. So they are one of the top biggest exchange in the world as well. And look at their coin now. Look at their coin. As at last year, their coin was, as at 4 months ago, I mean 5 months ago to 4 months ago, around November, their coin was around $4. Let's assume you have $4 to buy maybe $10, 10 of their coin now, which is only $40. And look at the current price now. The current price is now $22, and you will have make a lot of money. Look at it. You just scroll up and look at the active. This is the previous they have carried out, and this is the active. So I'm going to make a separate video about this. So I'm on the exchange now. Let's quickly check their coin and do some analysis. If their coin is actually GT, all you need to do is to buy GT and hold it, and by the time of the snapshot, anybody that is holding that GT, once you participate, you are going to get free airdrop. This one is not maybe you are going to start staking. Oh, no, that is not true. See their coin, look at it. Look at it, as you can see. Look at it. It was $6 as last year. Look at the date here. Look at the date. It was $6. You can head over and check it yourself. Look at it. This place, you see, as this place, it went down to $5, and currently look at the current price now. So this is a very big opportunity for us, and which I want to share with us. And since then it has been rising, rising. Look at it. Once it's rise. Look at it. And few days ago, yeah, look at it, it went back to 18 dollar, and now it's pumped up to $22 now. Look at the current price. As at today that I'm making this video, is $22.59. So this is a very big opportunity, and may make money for us. So if you have any question regarding to this, I will be very free, and I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you register and verify your account. It's pretty simple. Once you have your NIN, your premier NIN, or the driver license, or you have your passport, you can just verify your account, and that is all. You are good to go. You don't need to maybe risk your money trying to trade or something. Or on this, with this alone, you can be making a lot of money, and that is how people are making money secretly without informing you. So if you have anything to say, I will be waiting for you, your comments on in the description. And look at it, look at the current price on the my Bollinger Band is currently, meaning that the price will still push up or push down, but the price, according to the analysis now, the price will push up. So that is it for now. So I'll be waiting for you, and by next week we are going to carry out the two-way strategy using this same exchange for our practical and whatever. So I'm going to update you guys and let you know once the tutorial is ready. Choose.